From Naples to Sicily and beyond, seafood and pasta come together in perfect harmony. So get ready to make one of the most beloved dishes, the iconic seafood Marinara Linguine, using Napolina's new herb and garlic flavor booster to effortlessly deliver those aromatic flavors of the Mediterranean. In a saucepan over a medium heat, add the Napolina olive oil and shallots, then fry until soft. Then add in the Napolina chopped tomatoes, followed by our flavor-boosting Napolina tomato and garlic puree and chili flakes. Then mix together well. Next, add in the white wine, then stir in the basil, lemon zest, and salt and pepper to your taste. Then mix together over a rolling simmer to release all the flavors. Then mix in the seafood and cover with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. If you are cooking with live mussels, then be sure to discard any that do not open their shells after cooking. Next, add in the cooked Napolina Linguine to the marinara, followed by a splash of precious pasta water. Then toss together, coating all of the pasta in the sauce. Then serve up into 2 bowls, finishing with a handful of chopped parsley, and transport yourself to the southern coastline of Italy with this delicious dish. Buon appetito!